Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create AI video for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. For the platform, I recommend you to go to the Pix first because we will be able to get 60 credits for free after we sign up to this website. And as you can see, I have logged in with my Google account and I have 100 credits for free. You will get daily credits guys for free, and after you sign up to this website you can go to the text to video right here. You just need to describe the content that you want to create using this AI, and I have already created a prompt for the video. I'm asking ChatGPT to create a prompt for my video, and I'm going to paste the prompt on the Pix first. Okay, I'm going to paste it here, and then it needs 20 credits to create a video. And actually you can upload an image as a reference, but I'm not gonna use image, so I'm just going to use this prompt, and then we can click on create, and the AI will create a video for us. Now the video is being generated, and this is the previous video I have generated using Pixverse, and that's so cool, and it's free. Okay, and the video has been generated. This is how the video looks like, and if you want to download the video, just click on this download icon and the video will be saved to your device. Okay, now the video is being downloaded and it's done. And okay guys, that's all the way to create AI video for free using text to image feature. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.